Don't round it off, for fuck's sake, Jones. Couldn't find me tracer. I got the old Builder's Classic. Centre is actually not really off that. It's off that, isn't it? No, it's not. It's off that. It is off that. Right, let's go. 160 plus 139.5 equals 2995. Divide that by 2. Ha 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 ha. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just want it roughly, and then I'll sort it out afterwards. Is that level? No, dude. No. No, 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 no. Don't round it off, for fuck's sake, Jones. Should hoover it, really. I'm gonna hoover it. Hang on. Come on. What do you think? So let's hit that then with the level stick. With my Gary. Oh shit, it's actually magnetic. Probably shouldn't put magnets on the TV, but hey, it's mine. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way, you did. Solid as a rock. What are you saying? Got a bit of a tilt. I now do TV setting up. Just give us a call, give us a ring. I'll probably be talking to myself a lot during it and figuring it out as I go, because the instructions just don't really tell you a lot. But it shows I can do it and there weren't a lot of damage. Sorry about that. Let me turn it off.